Hi, I am Uğur from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. In this video, I will give some detail about Huawei Mobile Service Analytics Kit and I will show you how to integrate the Huawei Mobile Service Analytics Kit into your mobile application. Analytics Kit provides free data analysis for a wide range of devices and platforms. So, you can make informed decisions on product optimization and marketing based on your users' behavior. It offers scenario-specific data collection, management, analysis, and usage, helping enterprises achieve effective user acquisition, product optimization, precise operations, and business growth. A maximum of 500 events are supported, and you can register a maximum of 25 parameters for each event and maximum of 500 event parameters for each project. Based on the user events and user attributes automatically collected by the Analytics SDK, as well as the reported user behavior data, Analytics Kit can automatically generate data dashboards and analysis reports on user retention, user behavior, user lifecycle, app versions, and crashes. In addition, it supports multi-dimensional drill-down analysis and comparison, satisfying data analysis requirements of different roles, such as the marketing personnel, product managers, activity operation personnel, user experience management personnel, and technical developers, as well as driving intelligent business analysis and decision making. In this section, we will talk about functions of Huawei Mobile Service Analytics Kit. Cross-platform and multi-device analysis detects user behavior on iOS, Android, and the web, then gives you specialized comprehensive evaluation. Comprehensive user behavior analysis utilizes dozens of preset analysis models and a collection of more than 30 predefined events and 500 custom events to gain in-depth insight into your user's behavior. User Lifecycle Insight implements user layering throughout the lifecycle to identify those with high conversion potentials or churn risks, so you can better retain and convert users. Flexible User Segmentation creates audiences based on events and user attributes or generates audiences from funnel and retention analysis report with one click, so you can take a more segmented approach to marketing. Support for data export exports event details using data export APIs or AppGallery Connect. In this section, we will talk about advantages of Huawei Mobile Service Analytics Kit. Simplified access saves your time with quick and simple SDK integration. The integration can be done in just 5 minutes. And real-time online app debugging is also supported. Intelligent analysis enables you to optimize your apps and refine your operations with comprehensive user behavior analysis, full lifecycle user insight, algorithm-empowered prediction, and flexible audience segmentation. Flexible configuration provides more than 30 predefined events and 500 custom events, so you can use them in flexible ways to analyze your users' behavior. Seamless integration pre-integrates seamlessly with Huawei mobile services, including push, crash, A/B testing, account, in-app purchases, and ads. Real-time, comprehensive, and intelligent analysis provides more than 10 types of preset analysis models, drill-down analysis from different dimensions, and search results within seconds. Comprehensive user profiles taps into user behavior data to create comprehensive user profiles, helping you gain deep insight into characteristics of different audiences and implement precise operations. Assistance in effectively reaching users. You can reach audiences by using SMS, PushKit, app messaging, and A/B testing to optimize your product for boosting your business growth. Huawei Mobile Services Analytics Kit provides to developers 3 types of analysis events. These are automatically collected events, predefined event, custom events. Such events can be automatically collected without extra coding, and the only requirement is that the function of collecting system events is enabled. For example, display notification, click notification, install application and uninstall application, sign in and sign out, display and click add is a kind of automatically collected events. Such events have been predefined by the Analytics SDK based on common use cases. It is recommended that you use predefined event IDs for event tracking and analysis. The system has been enabled to provide various insight reports based on predefined events. For example, start application, start a game level, submit a score on the game, create new order on the shopping application, search activity. App rating is a sample for predefined events. Such events can be used to meet personalized analysis requirements that cannot be met by automatically collected events and predefined events. Analytics Kit allows you to customize events and extend event parameters or add personalized parameters for predefined events. Such are the technical requirements for using the Huawei Mobile Services Analytics Kit in your application. Android Studio version is 3.x or later. JDK version is 1.8.211 or later. For SDK and Gradle, minimum SDK version is 18. Target SDK version is 29. Compile SDK version is 29. Gradle version is 4.6 or later. Test device, a Huawei phone running EMUI 3.0 or later, or a non-Huawei phone running Android 4.3 or later. Firstly, you need a developer account. Secondly, you have to configure app information in AppGallery Connect. Then add Huawei Mobile Services Analytics Kit library and enable Analytics Kit on the console. And add permissions. We will follow these steps for configuring app informations in AppGallery Connect. Let's continue with AppGallery Connect. Firstly, sign into AppGallery Connect. Click My Project section and find your project. Click the app for which you want to view analysis data. Select any menu under the Huawei Analytics and click Enable Analytics Service. This service can be enabled only when you have the management permission. Choose Project Settings, Manage APIs. On the page, you need to enable Huawei Mobile Services Analytics Kit. Thanks to this step, you can activate or deactivate all of the Huawei Mobile Services Kits for your application. Now we need to add Huawei Mobile Services Analytics Kits dependencies to Android Studio project and add agconnect service.json file to app directory. To use Huawei Mobile Service Analytics Kit in your Android project, you must add the required library to the build.gradle file in your project's app directory and click the Sync Now button. You can access the current version of library from Huawei's official documents. And you should make sure add these permissions in Android manifest.xml file. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.